Finding lost treasures is never easy, and searching with traditional tools takes up too much time. That's why we created DroneRover, a super light detector that is compatible with any DJI drone. DroneRover is capable of detecting metallic and non-metallic objects, and its state-of-the-art sensors can discover objects that are located 100 feet underground. Connecting your tablet or smartphone with the DroneRover app lets you inspect the desired area in real time. Finding treasures is now as easy as marking the area, and autopilot will take care of the rest. Make your treasure hunting easier with DroneRover by Treasure Hunter.